This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located by the passenger door sill. Lift the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop and use it to secure the bonnet in the open position. Note that there are two positions. Disconnect the water drain pipe from the air intake cowling. Undo the two retaining nuts at the top of the air intake unit . Then slacken the nut at each side. Unclip the wiring loom. Then remove the cabin air intake cowling. Unclip the pollen filter element and manoeuvre it from the cowling. Use a cloth to wipe clean the inside of the housing. Then fit the new element to the cowling. Note the arrow, which indicates airflow, is pointing upwards. Now place the cabin air intake cowling back in position. Refit the cabin air intake cowling, then refit the left hand and right hand nuts. Now refit and tighten the two retaining nuts at the top of the unit and clip the wiring loom back into place. Refit the drain pipe.